The government is ramping up efforts to better track Jamaica's growing digital economy as more business shifts online and across borders. While closing the 2026-2027 budget debate this week, Finance Minister Favour Williams said the move is not just about revenue collection, but ensuring policies are fair and based on accurate data.
Services, Madam Speaker, already accounts for a substantial share of Jamaica's GDP, and an increasing portion of this activity is taking place through digital and cross-border channels. This is not simply a matter of getting revenues, but of ensuring that our economic systems are properly equipped to understand these developments. We're therefore strengthening our capacity to better measure and interpret digital economic activity so that our policies remain fair, balanced, and grounded in accurate information.
She notes that Jamaica is also playing a leading role globally, currently chairing a United Nations task team focused on measuring digitalization and improving trade statistics.
This means the committee provides guidance, coordinates and standardizes business and trade statistics, focuses on areas like globalization, digitalization, and statistical capacity building in member states.
Minister Williams explains that digital trade is now classified in 3 categories, including goods ordered online and delivered physically, which remain subject to existing taxes at ports.
Let me say that the definition of digital trade has evolved to now where digital trade is defined as being digitally ordered and digitally delivered. Number 2, digitally ordered and physically delivered. And number 3, physically ordered and digitally delivered. Madam Speaker, definition number 2, which is digitally ordered and physically delivered, are goods that we know that come into Jamaica through our ports and are already subject to taxes and duties. Obviously, these will not be the subject of any further taxes and duties.
Meanwhile, the minister highlighted concerns about persons exploiting the de minimis policy to avoid taxes by splitting shipments. Under current rules, items valued at $100 or less remain duty-free, while anything above that threshold attracts full duties.